This building, this mural was inspired by the Babao Tower. It was a language center for international students. And I used the elements of the Babao Tower, like the arch window, the stairs, and different elements of the Babao Tower. This is my first time to draw a huge building like this big scale. Big chance for me to paint a huge mural, and I have spent a lot of energy to paint. I use the projector to project the image into the buildings, and then we do it during the night with my assistants. After the date, then we started to paint some big area. I used bed spray to make the bed line to draw the outline of the characters. And my assistant also helped to fill different color shape in the buildings.
W ramach tegorocznego festiwalu 5 murali powstanie w ramach festiwalu, ale będzie również reverse graffiti, będą instalacje, będzie wystawa płócien i malowideł, więc myślę, że dobrze startujemy.